This is how you use your main TV. Go ahead, hit your power button, always point towards the infrared on the bottom of the TV. Couple ways of using the TV. Hit the house to always get to the house or the main menu of what's going on the TV. Now you have to activate Wi-Fi to get all the streaming apps like Netflix, Disney and Prime, etc. Now you're gonna have a couple ways of using your TV. You're gonna have here live TV, and then if you need to connect to HDMI and stuff like that, you just have to go up here. Here's how you use your back TV. Go ahead, hit your power button, always going towards your infrared. Once you do, there's a couple ways of using it. Use your input to select what you want. If you want live TV, the Apple TV, or just your HDMI. Hit the house to be into your house menu. Now, once you have connected your Wi-Fi, you will have streaming services like Netflix, Prime, Disney, and more.